let's talk about why there are no shortcuts to
Yeah.
creating a business that actually delivers transformation to others, but also helps you replace that corporate paycheck. Because I don't know about you, but that's the number one thing that I hear is I've got X number of months or X number of years where I can survive. And by that time, I need to replace that corporate paycheck come hell or high water.
Mhm.
Now, a lot of my
Mhm.
clients are mothers, spouses, some are single moms, primary wage earners in their families. So this pressure is real. How do you deal
Mhm.
with that from a mindset perspective?
So the issue that the problem that creates is women are now forced to apply so much pressure on that thing that they want to do to be their income provider. And that is what changes the focus from service to self. And it's a catch 22 because if you if your mind is on I need to make this money now, I need to replace my income, then inevitably you're going to start chasing the money, and it's no longer going to be about impact. Then it's going to be about, let me Google the top 10 most profitable niches and let me just do that. And then it's going to be about, okay, what are the things that people are doing in these niches? Oh, look at what they are talking about. Let me talk about that too, even though I haven't embodied it. And it's crazy. That does two things. Number one, I said it puts the focus back on yourself, and then you forget why you're even doing this thing in the first place. And you're completely disconnected from your mission. A lot of times, what I see with women is they're not even doing what it is that they have that deep passion or genius for. The second thing is that it erodes on their self confidence,
Yeah.
because then you are not actually doing any of those things that you say you're doing. So that means that you're not keeping the promises that you made to yourself. You are not showing up the way you're claiming to show up. You're you're being somebody else. You're impersonating somebody else. You are designing your life from somebody else's book. And that just creates even more tension. Then you get more frustrated because you're not getting the results. And as I said earlier, even if you get the results, it will fall flat very quickly, because very quickly it'll be obvious that you cannot provide those solutions to your customers because you haven't walked through it. You don't know what it is you're doing. You're just, like you said, reading from a textbook. And as you and I know in this industry, that when you're working maybe one on one with a client, nobody is a textbook client. Everyone is unique.
Yes.
There are a lot of similarities. So if you're trying to just read from, oh, this is how you create a course, when it comes to actually delivering the service, it falls flat very quickly.
Yeah, it does. And what I was thinking of is that there are no quick fixes, right? So there's no magic bullet. And in reality, there are probably four very simple things that you need to do and do consistently well that will lead you to replacing that corporate salary. But what happens is, because we're looking for those immediate results and those quick fixes, you may try a strategy once and not get the results that you want. And so therefore, you're, like you said, looking outside and seeing, oh, someone else is marketing this way. Maybe I'll try that. The problem is that you don't develop any credibility or wisdom in a process that works for you. Like for me, when I first transitioned 12 years ago, I was taught how to speak to sell and to do that in a webinar format. And my very first time, I was scared. I was super uncomfortable. Speaking with something that was in public was something that was very uncomfortable for me, even when I was in corporate, from when I was a kid, all of it. But I stuck with it. I learned from it. And for 12 years, being on other people's stages, delivering value to my ideal clients, giving them ideas, strategies at a high level. We're also selling ourselves, but we're selling ourselves through value. That's the primary way I have earned millions of dollars over these last 12 years. Primary
Yeah.
way. And it was something that wasn't easy for me to do, but I had to perfect it. And in 2026, we're in a period of time where this year is going to feel very chaotic. Everything is moving really quickly, especially with AI. And I'm also of a mind that being the anti-AI is where true originality comes from, because what we're going to find out is that people are going to start sounding the same. We already know
Yeah.
that there are AI tells, and I can spot it in someone's writing. I can spot it in someone speaking. It's a cadence with which AI speaks.
Mm-hmm.
And it also creates a common narrative that everybody's going to be hopping on, because it is a learning model that pulls from what everybody else has already said. So to be a true original, you need to stick with something long enough to be an original, to be an
Yeah.
expert.